In today's video, I will walk you through how to compile code on MT5. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is open, press F4 on your keyboard to launch the MetaEditor. After MetaEditor opens, you'll have two options. If you already have an existing MQ5 file, open that file. If you want to create a new one, go to the File menu and choose Create New. The creation wizard will appear. Click Next, then continue clicking Next through the remaining setup screens until the new file has been created. When the file opens, you'll be taken to the code editor. This is where you can begin adding your code. If you're working with an existing file, simply review your code before continuing. If you've just created a new file, enter the code you want to compile. Take a moment to make sure everything you want included is already in the editor. When you're ready, move to the top of the MetaEditor window, find the Compile button, click Compile to begin compiling the code. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can press F7 instead. Both methods perform the same action, so you can use whichever one you prefer. As soon as you start the compilation, MetaEditor will begin processing the code. Wait for the process to complete. When the compilation finishes, the process is complete, and the Compile button will be available again. If you make additional changes to your code afterward, simply repeat the same process. Edit the code, then click Compile again or press F7 to compile the updated version. Whenever you're working on your project, you can continue making changes and compiling as many times as needed. If you need to work on another file, open that MQ5 file in MetaEditor, make your changes, and compile it the same way. If you create another new file, go to File, choose Create New, complete the setup by clicking Next through the wizard, add your code, and compile it using the Compile button or the F7 shortcut. The overall process stays the same regardless of whether you're editing an existing file or creating a brand new one. Open the file, add or update your code, then compile it when you're ready. That's all there is to compiling code in MetaTrader 5. Once you know where the Compile button is and remember the F7 shortcut, you can quickly compile your code whenever you finish making changes. Thank you for watching.